Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming prerequisites, your Viber account phone number, and the cloud account where backups live. Open Viber now. Once open, tap More or the menu icon to access settings. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi to avoid mobile charges and that your cloud account is accessible. Next, navigate to Settings, right arrow Account, right arrow Viber Backup to view backup status. You do this now so the next steps delete the correct backup, not an unrelated account or file. Once you see backup info in Viber, note the provider and date. On Android, open Google Drive, tap Backups, find the Viber backup entry, tap 3 dots and choose Delete Backup. Confirm. On iPhone, open Settings, right arrow your name, right arrow iCloud, right arrow Manage Storage, find Viber Backup and delete data. If Viber offers an option to turn off backups, use it to prevent recreation. These steps remove cloud copies, so make sure you won't need them later. Now remove local copies. On Android, go to Settings, right arrow Apps, right arrow Viber, right arrow Storage, right arrow Clear Cache or Clear Data. On iPhone, deleting and reinstalling Viber clears local message cache. Reopen Viber and go back to Account, right arrow Viber Backup to confirm no cloud backup is listed or backups are disabled. If the backup reappears or restore fails, make sure you're signed into the same cloud account used originally. Then repeat deletion.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.